Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Unboxing Jet. I am your friend Sam and today we gonna talk about Samsung Note 20 Ultra. So let's get started.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Samsung's new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is a mostly gorgeous super premium phone filled with high-end features. I genuinely enjoy using the best of the bunch, including its exceptional 6.9-inch screen, sharp 5x optical zoom camera and a stylus that I never tire of using to annotate screenshots and take notes. As Samsung's most advanced phone in terms of what it can do, the Note 20 Ultra makes small but significant enhancements over the Note 10 Plus, especially in terms of photography. Love with the mystic bronze color of my Note 20 Ultra review unit. It's got a subtle shimmer that to me feels understated and elegant without losing a dynamic finish. In certain lighting, it looks rose gold. The matte finish does a lot to keep fingerprints on the back to a minimum. I can barely see them. Switching to the S Pen will immediately keep the screen cleaner than typing with your fingers, but I use both input methods on the phone. Mystic White and Mystic Black, which I have not seen in person, have glossy glass backings. The 6.9-inch display is excellent. Clear and sharp, with an approach to the 120Hz screen refresh rate that's much more polished and useful than Samsung's first attempt with the Galaxy S20 Plus and S20 Ultra. The default mode is Adaptive Motion Smoothness, which turns on 120Hz refresh when you're scrolling or using features that can take advantage of the faster screen. It'll flip to the 60Hz standard when the screen is static, saving on battery overall. You can also toggle to 60Hz if you'd like to preserve even more. Samsung uses the new Gorilla Glass Victus on the Note 20 Ultra's front and back. Corning claims the cover material can withstand drops up to 2 meters, about 6.5 feet, and is also twice as scratch resistant compared to Gorilla Glass 6, which is rated for a 1.6 meter, 5.25 foot fall. Fingerprint scanning errors still happen, but few and far between, and I usually get in on the second try. This makes mobile payments a lot easier. My pro tip since the S10 is this: enroll your dominant thumb twice, your other thumb once and your dominant index finger once. You have a total of 4 fingerprint profiles to work with. The phone's 5x optical zoom is really sharp and produces excellent shots when there's ample lighting. I liked how a tip popped up on screen as I took a photo of a buttery, multi-layered croissant, suggesting I shoot at 2x and pull back. Much better photo. The Note 20 Ultra has a 108-megapixel camera feature, which lets you take a detailed shot and crop photos after the fact. My results were uneven, with a blown-out photo of a flower that completely lacked detail to a fairly successful shot of a bug that had landed on my shirt. Night mode and selfie quality were solid, and I especially like the new selfie filter that lets you warm up or cool down the tone before you take a shot. 20 Ultra's 4500 mAh battery is smaller than the S20 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery, but lasted much longer during my testing period. I'm not hotspotting for hours during a commute these days or going out from early morning until late night, which makes it harder to compare anecdotally. However, I'd call battery life good, not amazing, and it'll certainly take you through a typical day. Because of the 120Hz refresh rate, the S Pen writes noticeably faster. There's also lower latency overall, under 9 milliseconds, according to Samsung. I also feel my writing is neater. Samsung introduces new features like handwriting auto-straighten and PDF importing, which I like. There are the 5 new air gestures, which felt gimmicky. They're customizable, a good thing, but I never figured out how to naturally incorporate them into days spent at home, and your movements have to be slow and deliberate to get the gestures right. My favorite S Pen tricks are oldies but goodies. Using the S Pen to sketch a concept, magnifying tiny font on a page, annotating anything and everything, taking precise screenshots, and highlighting just the exact text I want to copy and paste, taking a selfie by pressing the S Pen button. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor on my Note 20 Ultra review unit is, in a word, snappy. Extremely fast, totally competent, nothing got in its way. Benchmarking scores were also top-notch. However, some regions use Samsung's house-made Exynos 990 chipset, which is the same as the Galaxy S20 line. The Note 20 Ultra with Exynos also has 256 GB storage versus the 128 GB of my configuration. Since you have come this far, so we have a bonus comparison of Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra for you. Display size, resolution. Samsung Galaxy Note 20. 6.7 inches, 2400 x 1080 pixels. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 6.9 inches, 3088 x 1440 pixels. The list is pretty big. Take your time to read this, and thanks for watching our video, and subscribe our channel Unboxing Jet for more awesome videos.